let's jump into the topic. Today we are going to discuss about the JSON. So let we have to know what is the JSON is and what are the things we will do with the JSON in Golang. So first we have to know what is JSON. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to pass and generate. It is commonly used for transmitting data between a server and a web application as an alternative to XML, right? So, in a simple words, it is a text format where a transmission and reception will be happen between two entities. Two entities means front end and the back end. So this is a format. This is an alternative one of to XML. So here in Golang, we have to parse. There are so many applications which we will discuss about an API, application programming interface. If I want to discuss, if I want to tell to my friend end, if I sending any data to backend, it will be converted in the format of JSON format. JSON format. So how the JSON format it will be like we will discuss further in this topic. So let we have to know what is the main syntax of Go, right? So here syntax JSON syntax in Go. So it's like similar like struct. Here we will use a type struct name struct, and next thing is field name. So we already know what is the field name and the type. Type here we will use the backticks backticks between the JSON colon field name. So here it's the same like the structure format. So we will here see here. So we already know what is the structure name. So now structure name it will be represented as a JSON object. So in JSON format, it will be treated as a JSON object, and it is the field name that corresponds to the key. Corresponds to the this is the key. So in the JSON object, right? This is used in the double quote backticks, right? This is the struct tag. This is the tag. We are telling that this field name type is JSON1. So we have to pass the JSON format in the format of JSON format. So JSON format is looking like a key pair object, right? It is a key pair object, key pair object. So what are the things? What are the functions we will discuss here in JSON format is two types of things we will discuss here. So parsing. Parsing in the format. So here we will use two types of things. What are the two types of things is marshalling and unmarshalling. So these are the two functions we will do here. So first of all, without going to the main program, first we will see here what we are importing for the JSON format. Here we will use encoding slash JSON is a package that we have to import here. Next, we are creating one structure format. So person, this is an object. This is an object, right? This is the object. This is an object. And next thing, yes, we are making name. This is the field name, and it will what is the data type it is. And here, this is the key value pair. So back it is representing that this is name. Name is a JSON format, right? So it is a JSON format. Next thing is what is marshalling? A marshalling is converting a Go structure to JSON format. So we will see further. So next thing is here I have created person, right? I have created person structure. I am viewing person name is equal to alias, age is 30, right? And next thing is I am converting here into JSON format, structure format to JSON format. So I am taking here JSON data, what the person data to format, right? Here JSON dot person, right? JSON format will be stored in JSON data, and here we are throwing errors. So here it is like a try catch. So we have discussed like in a Python, if we go with a Python, try catch will be used like error handling methods, right? So here error we will use it here as error which throw error, right? It will store if it is throws error. If error not equal to nil, error encoding JSON. What is the error? What are this error will be behind that? Why it is not work? So here we will use error and it will be returned. And if error is not present, it will print JSON data format. So without converting into string, it will be treated as a normal ASCII values or like in a normal encoding format like in a format like the bytes format in the form of bytes format. So after converting into string, we can make it as a normal one. So let's see how it will be happen. And now where we are now ls cd programs. So we have to go cd programs. Yeah, where we are now. Yeah. I want to go here, right? So, going integrated terminal. Yeah. Go run json.go. JSON, go run json.go. We will print here. See, here I am marshalling. Marshalling means we already know we are converting the sixth format, goes format to JSON format. So how the JSON format looks look like is see here 123.34 in the bytes format right? So next if I want to see the exact format of that JSON data, so I am making it as I am converting into string format. So here we are seeing the string format, right? So next thing is unmarshalling data. So unmarshalling data is nothing but converting JSON data to go structure format. So go structure format I am taking here not an example of same here name alias is 30, but I am taking here the format. I am taking here the format in the format of bytes format. I am converting this whole structure format JSON format, right? Here the byte format. Here it is in the byte format. Here byte represents the JSON data as a byte slice format. So see here. Yeah, we are taking here. It is a JSON format where it will store in the format of bytes format. Bytes format. We already know here. This is the byte format. So it will convert according to the byte format. Right? So next thing is here. I am creating the person alias name here for person. So here ampersand person which points to the person variable. So allowing the function to make it to into JSON data, right? JSON data to unmarshalling. I in the format where it is present JSON dot unmarshal of JSON data, like allowing the function. So next thing is if it is error is present, it will throw an error like error decoding JSON error return. It will return. Next thing is if I want to decode it as the person script, it will be decode into Bob 25, like Bob 25. It will print. So if I want to know what is the name and what is the age. So I am printing here fmt dot println age person dot age. So this is the main function. So I am calling the function marshal of function and unmarshal of function. So these are the two things we are gonna do here about this is all about the JSON format and what are the two operations we will do here marshalling and marshalling data. So this is all about JSON in Go.